things for this? Are we really playing?
You can if you want
Okay.
to. I don't want you guys to get messy because what we're working with this time, we made slime before, but what we're working with this time is fluorescent water, okay? Now,
Fun.
Okay, do you guys know what fluorescent is?
No.
Makes something fluorescent? Well, what we did...
Like your highlighter here, Mary.
Like my highlighter here. Okay, so basically the way you need to get some phosphors. Phosphors are things in nature that suck up light energy and then spit it back. Okay.
Okay.
So you can get phosphorus out of
a highlighter.
A highlighter.
Okay.
Basically, you just pop this out, you slice it, and you soak it in water. And this is like a green one and a yellow one together to make it green.
Fun.
Okay. Now you have fluorescent water. Okay. Now fluorescent, you know the difference between fluorescent and phosphorescent?
No.
Fluorescent requires a light to make it glow.
Okay.
So basically, a black light is the very best way to show how this will glow. This will glow in the dark. Okay. Otherwise, it just kind of hangs out. Phosphorescent sucks up the energy, the light energy, and it'll glow over time. So there's like those stars you stick on your kid's ceiling and stuff.
That's why
that glow overnight. They charge from the light, and then they emit the energy over time. Okay.
So we basically going to make what's in your bowl here?
We are going to make it. And so what we're going to do is we are going to pour. Let's see if I can remember this. Okay, 1 cup of water. This is.
Hey, Philip, that's you.
Philip,
I'm doing. Sorry. I'm like, sorry.
You pour 1 cup of water.
Okay.
And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of borax. Now, borax is this stuff here. It's
not borax. Borax.
Borax.
Okay.
It's a laundry booster, and you can find it at Walmart for sure, but most grocery stores.
Okay.
So we're going to throw that in there. So 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon. You're going to stir that till it dissolves. Okay.
Next.
Natasha, you are going to pour...
But not this. I don't want to put the fluorescent.
You're going to pour 1 cup of fluorescent water in there.
Okay.
Which is basically those little bottles are 1 cup.
Wrong way.
It's okay. Just pour the whole thing in.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
That's basically 1 cup. Trying to make it easy.
Just pour it.
And then we're going to add 1 cup of clear, washable school glue.
Ooh, glue.
So we're basically making a watered down glue solution, okay?
Right.
And what's going to happen when we add the borax solution to the glue is we're going to create cross-linked polymers.
Of course. I was wondering if that's what's
Which are
doing.
very cool, and stretchy, and they basically make slime. So we've got our glow-in-the-dark glue. We've got our borax solution, and we're going to throw that in there. And it's immediately going to turn into
gooier. Now I can play with it. Can I put my hand in there?
You can absolutely play with that, but you're going to want to wash your hands really quick with the paper towels because I don't want you to stain your hands. There you go.
Yeah.
And then if you want to...
Yeah, for the parents who want to know, will this stain?
Yeah, definitely play with it on top of paper towels or newspapers. Because
so, like, don't give this to the kids
because
on your
anything
new
you wouldn't
white
want fluorescent marker on, you don't want this on.
No.
Okay.
Then you can add some spiders to it, and it's really, really cool.
This is fun.
And really scary for Halloween.